What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today Brian and I are on our way to pick up the biggest mod for my Tacoma. And when I say the biggest mod, it's the heaviest. It's going to be probably, actually yeah, the heaviest, not only for getting it home, but also going on the truck. And huge shout out to Relentless Fabrication. I'll have all their information down in the description below. Try to comment and guess what modification this is. But that is where I got this product from. And so we are on our way. We have to go to the freight yard or the freight shipment place because shipping to residential was just not an option. So we are about to pick it up and load it up. So we have no idea where we're going, but I hope this is the front. Well, that's the address.
Should be it.
Right. So this should be where we can at least get some info.
And guys, we're giving away a $100 gift card this month. So comment down below, what mod are we doing on the Tacoma? It's gonna be the biggest challenge probably so far.
Well, I guess the other hint would be we made another video about another part that we actually just put on that you've seen.
Yeah.
That sounds confusing, but I mentioned or hinted at what was coming on that mod. So that kind of gives them a really good hint.
No cheating. No cheating, guys. Comment down below.
This is gonna be a huge project.
I know.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick.
Oh my gosh. Biggest thing I've ever done.
So we're, I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea why the door's not
So this is freight pickup. I don't know where the heck we are.
That's it. I guess we'll try this, and if not, I'll see what plan B is.
Alright, well, thank you for your business and you have a good day.
Okay, thank you, you too. I'm gonna get out, I guess, or at least try to reach here.
Yes.
Hi, I'm here to pick up a package.
What are you here to pick it up?
Down on the left or right?
Just right down, it'll be right on the left.
Okay.
Right at the end of the left.
Alright, thank you. Well, that worked.
Alright, so, well, now we're here.
Yeah, so I've done this trip before, not to this area, but now we just have to look for a ramp.
This is all the way down the left?
I think so. I smacked my head on the rain guards, man. That plastic hurts.
Maybe over there. Oh, I don't even know. Alright, so we have made it to the correct place.
Yeah, we're good.
And
They just got to make sure I am who I am, or who I say I am.
who you yam.
Huh?
I said you yam who you yam.
Yeah.
And forklifting this thing in.
Yeah.
Biggest mod yet. If any of you have cheated, don't be cheating. What do you guys think? Do you know what it is?
I hope so. Yeah, this is, I'm a little nervous about this mod. Like everything I've done so far, I mean, I like, you know, it's a personal preference, but this is no turning back. That's another hint. It's not as wide as I thought. Oh, you're not filming?
I am.
Okay. It's not as wide as I thought, but it's definitely gonna get a hate from the 6-foot bed owners.
It's got some size to it.
Yeah. Yeah, keep coming. You're good. You're good. You're good. Keep coming. I'd probably stop right there. That should be okay. Right. So you can actually see it. Well, they can't see it.
We're not going to show them yet. Just barely fits. Literally, literally to the end of the tailgate.
And it actually could fit if I moved this one and we slid this right into here.
Yeah. All right, load it up.
So we got a lot of work to do just to even unbox this.
And we do have a special treat in today's video regarding something else. That's all I can say.
So I guess we'll get home
and
start loading up before we have to unload again.
And then unbox this thing.
So we have just made it back to the house. Obviously we still have the box there. Brian has another package that we need to load up into the truck. Is this heavier than our other boxes like this? Right there? All right, that should work. Just go straight back. So now comes the fun part with Brian's project out of the way, which you guys will see probably before this?
Shortly.
I don't know, shortly. Now comes the fun part. I think it said online this was about 256 pounds. So I brought my motorcycle ramp because that actually helped me unload my last box.
We're gonna box it in the bed.
Should we? And just pull it out? Maybe? Maybe we should cut it open and just pull it out of the... Yeah? We'll just cut right down here. And got some t-shirts. Cool. Just gonna send it. I like it. Okay. I don't know if you'll need help, but we'll just start going your way. Because you're gonna be holding it longer than me. Ready? Still got it? Yep. All right, so it's finally time to reveal to you guys the new high clearance bumper from Relentless Fabrication. I'll have all their information down in the description below. But this is the new project for the Tacoma. If you guys remember, if you're a subscriber or you saw this video, I had a nice off-road accident right here, which is why I've eliminated my exhaust pipe, if you saw that video. And yeah, that was gonna be about $700 to fix. So
At the body shop.
At the body shop. So I figured they're gonna probably repaint the side of the truck as well. Might as well just not let that mistake happen again and go with a full steel bumper. So this is the one that I decided to go with, and we have a built-in hitch, which is nice, so I won't be losing my hitch. We have some cutouts for some lights, so I could even put some lights on the rear of the truck if I want to. And then my favorite part, the bumper is upside down right now, but I really like this notch right here. It kind of keeps in line with the body line on the truck. So if you'll see right here, this is a natural curve in the body line of the truck. So it's kind of gonna retain that and then kind of dip in and go past it. So that's really why I chose this bumper. I like the fact that it's retaining some of the factory look, even though it's completely aftermarket. And yeah, this is gonna take us, I don't know, this is gonna be a good amount of work because obviously we have to cut and it's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it's
So it's a good 100 pounds, if not a little bit more.
Yeah.
But we will be weighing all of the stock bumper components and see how much weight we're really adding. I'm not too concerned about the weight, just to point it out.
Sweet swag from Relentless as well.
Yep, I got a new sticker I can put on the back of the truck too. Probably pick this one here, I really like that.
Tell you the t-shirt that we got.
Ooh, the American flag, I didn't even see that. That's pretty awesome.
One for each of us, so thank you guys for setting an extra one.
Yeah.
For the non-Tacoma guy.
But definitely check out their website again. They have a ton of parts for the Tacoma and even clothing and accessories like that.
Toyota off-road armor. So
There we go.
they'll hook you up, I
Protecting the Tacoma.
think. Yeah.
This
So
is
that stuff doesn't happen.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be a lot of work. Hopefully you guys are excited for the new project on the Tacoma. I'm excited and nervous because I have to cut. There's no going back. But hopefully I can show you guys the proper way to do it. And yeah. What else, Brian? We got some awesome logos in the bumper as well. You're not even gonna see these.
I was gonna say, I love the attention to detail.
Yeah, that's
And
the
actually,
underside of the truck.
Yeah, and even just looking at the quality, like all the welds and everything, the powder coating, because you can get this not powder coated.
Yeah, you can get it just bare steel.
Yeah, just the quality of it, everything. Look at these welds.
Yeah.
They're perfect.
That's awesome. So we have the bumper down in the shop where it's gonna sit for just a few days before we start tackling this project. But just to show you, we have it flipped up the other side now, and we got Maddie doing the inspecting, as you do on all the projects, huh? But we have it up right now so you can kind of get a good feel for it, or a better feel. The hitch right in the center. We have the light connection on one side, the really cool R. Hey, you know, it's kind of like Bros for Speed with the R. And then we have some cutouts that I can eventually add some lights, and then I can even put some of those shackle rings, whatever you want to call them, on each side. And then just looking at these side corners again, you can see the design of it, how it's going to flow nicely with the natural lines on the truck. But I think that's going to wrap it up for today's video, unboxing the biggest mod for the Toyota Tacoma. I cannot wait to get this in. Brian and I have a lot of work to do.
It's gonna be crazy.
You ready?
She's gonna help the whole time though.
Yeah.
She's gonna help.
So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget about the giveaway we have going for this month. It is for a $100 gift card, so all you have to do to be eligible to win is be a subscriber to the channel and comment on videos, and that's your entry into winning it. And we'll see you for the install of the new bumper.